Ayan, there's siya.
Happy birthday! Woo! Go! Love you, Day.
Tibog yun, Day.
Nasa sa itong bag.
Let's explore.
What's up? Good morning, Puerto Princesa.
Good morning, babe. Karoon na ka nag-beach wear nga manguli na ta.
Beach wear?
Actually, karoon siya nag-beach wear. Yan na rin ang outfit. Sa this best.
Sure good, nga alas 2 na naman. Pero pila ka botelya ito na yun.
We had a lot though, we had a lot.
Gipuko ka na mo. Saba, oy.
Apollo, wala ko balas 7 na.
Ayan! Nanuktok ta! I cannot remember that na.
Yeah.
We're on our way home. We stuffed everything in our bags and then we left. So guys, we are at the airport. And it was only
an oversized shirt, or is that supposed to be your shirt?
Wait, take a video of what I'm show the nation what I'm wearing to the airport.
Is that an oversized shirt, or is that a regular shirt?
No, it's okay. It's an okay t-shirt. It's super oversized.
Is it for girls good?
I don't know. Support this movement of having the option to recline and your hand rest because I can get to use.
So, ako ang alkansi.
Last. Sige na, pina-orb-orb dahil ka, bro.
Bro, alkansi kayo, bro. Tanday siya na, bro. Do I like it? Do I not like it? Okay.
Guwapo kayo siguro. Ang sin, maglamit siya
Did you just call me gay?
Oh my god! I'm sorry if it offended you. I thought you knew.
I don't know.
I feel like this year is really about realizing stuff.
Hey, this is the 2 AM crew. Hey, it's me, HBD.
Uy, maglamit siya mo kami ng HBD. Ako siya like TY.
Hindi ka mawufulog type happy birthday day.
Hamis cake pa kasi yun.
HB. I can sue you, you know that.
My God, to be all you want. But also touch your paa and your bugan.
Bukoy gubirod day.
Excited ko sa invite me. So we can wash away the smell of red horse.
Ito guys, if you are flying with Cebu Pack, order yung mag-in-flight meal kay really good. Very convenient ba daw?
Hindi ka on last time.
I have the
Grilled chicken.
Basta it's a pan.
Ako nako was like the burrito.
Was it good?
Oh, lamig ko siya.
Actually, the one that I had was super good also.
Yeah, ask ko nga, can I buy this online? May chicken mo, can I buy it online? Kung dili ni mo palit dahil, may pasabot naman, sige na tag-harga para makapulit ang burrito. I think I want a burrito, let's just go to Manila.
Wait.
Palag po may basta hilan.
I have the grilled chicken herb.
Uy, gwapahan niya, oy.
Yeah, actually, it has good red cabbage and everything. The tomatoes, the chicken, and the lettuce. Whatever is in the photo, nagagin siya dito. Yeah.
Kani ako ay, it was so good yun. Chicken burrito. So good, lamig siya.
Ray had this. The ube lang top result.
Oh my gosh, I don't think I'd like that. Kailangan kain ube.
Really? You don't like it? You like ube or langka?
Open ko sa ube. Like, open ko sa
Relationship.
open-minded ka ba? Open-minded.
Idea of eating ube. Open ko sa idea of eating langka. But it's gonna be hard on my part. I think it's
such a commitment.
Ilang cover now is Boracay.
Wait for the Puerto Princesa edition. Kasi Yuno na next siyang bold.
Na mag-hold.
Bold or bold? Bold or bold?
Bold.
Bold lang.
There. Subscribe. Nasa description now.
Subscribe mo kaya makakita ka siyang
sa posy.
Ay, bilis. Air. And go doon.
Cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use the cigarette.
Mong bas, mga pamo.
Short circuit si madam. Short circuit. Short circuit. Yan yung po si Alem. Kaya anak ko ng kamot.
Kung saan ang pang lipstick, kung saan mang lipstick si Alem.
Si Yuno daw. Kabaw kayo no.
Ano man?
Nalmaan ka?
Saan mo gina mo? Tarong nga gina day. Huwag yung kayo trabaho day.
Iyak na yun.
Salary deduction ka.
Iyak na sila.
Sila.
Dili na.
Salary deduction ka ha.
Dili na.
Alawa na daw kakutob dahil, bilin daw ka.
Wala nga, di ba pwede ko buhubo day. Alem, pagbantayan kung ako'y abs ha. Wala ko sa kong binuhat.
Masindo. Chika to later.
For my first question, he is a famous NBA star who wears the jersey
Michael Jordan
number
na, Michael
28.
Jordan.
He played
Michael
for the
Jordan.
Chicago Bulls and he appeared on Space Jam.
Day, basketball day, building ko.
For my second question,
Sorry, ano mo?
she is 23-year-old singer, songwriter who's famous for her singles New Rules, One
Dua
Kiss,
Lipa.
and Scared to Be Lonely.
Ate Perry.
Miss pa nag-erase.
Congratulations, the correct answer is Dua Lipa. Down to my last and final question. What is the 23rd letter in the alphabet? 23rd letter in the alphabet.
Cebu Pacific.
23rd letter.
Yuno Lloyd, Bastareche.
Congratulations, the correct answer is W.
Di mga bugo yun. Mga influencer yung mga bugo. Walang alam. Di ko siya diba?
Too bad. Next time, Alem. Hey guys, so we are in Cebu. I want to say finally, but not really finally. Doon na kay si Dave sa Malay. Butikang nga siya.
What's that?
Butikang na lang pala kas Malay. Okay guys, so I came home and look at what Paolo did. He bali the house.
Still thinking what to do.
Oh my god, I'm so happy to see you. Give me kissy. Give me kissy. I miss you. You're so handsome. Hello, my fishy friends. Hi. Hello. Say hi to Mama. Hey, say hi. 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 Where's Hufflepuff? Hi, Hufflepuff. Hi. Did you miss me? No, you did not, because you don't like me. It is a day after I got back from Palawan, and yesterday, obviously I didn't take pictures or videos of it. I don't necessarily think I'm that kind of girl, but I went to the ER last night because the moment I got home, I think because I was still kind of drunk or hungover or dehydrated. I knew I was dehydrated, but I got so lightheaded. Lipong kay ko, I had an anxiety attack because I thought I was gonna die. So we went to the ER, and now everything is good. I just have to spend the entire day in bed and rest. So I'm watching RuPaul's Drag Race as always. And well, I decided that I would start editing the vlog, and I just really wanted to close this vlog on a good note and say that I had the best time. Thank you so much to, first of all, the Philippines for existing and being so freaking beautiful. Thank you to Cebu Pacific for thinking about us vloggers and bloggers and giving me the opportunity to experience the wonders that the Philippines has to offer. I never in a million years thought that I'd be able to travel small scale, hopefully eventually larger scale, internationally, to create content and to share with you guys. So that means a lot to me. I'd also like to thank Go Hotels for the accommodations. If you're ever planning to check out, or if you're ever planning to travel, you might as well check out Go Hotels as well. They are in different places around the zone besides Mindanao. You can also check out and yeah, of course, I would like to thank Klook, because they made sure that everything that we did in Puerto Princesa was possible, and we had so much fun. I know I'm over fatigued and dehydrated and all that good stuff, But you know what? I would never ever trade those memories for the world. I had an awesome time. I had such a fun time with all my content creators and the people who took care of us, like Ray and Apollo. And thank you guys so much. If you're watching this video, you probably already stopped the video, but I would really like to thank the people who I was with. I got to know them on a deeper scale. I already know them, but I think this trip allowed me to get to know people more, and it allowed me to learn more about myself. So that's pretty good. Now I just have to rest because the rest of the weekend I really have to spend it planning the wedding and finishing everything with the wedding, and just so much to do. So anyways, I hope that you like this video. If you want more travel videos, I do have another Macau trip planned, and I have another Puerto Princesa trip planned, which I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But anyways, I hope that you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!